guys, in this video we will see how to stop emails from going to a spam folder in Gmail. If you want to keep all your emails on primary folder, then here are the process. Open your Gmail account. Under search mail, type from dot double dot your email address. For example, abcd@gmail.com. Change abcd from your original domain and click on filter option. Just beside it, cross mark. Here at the bottom of the page you will find create filter. Here you will find the option never send it to a spam. Make the check against this option, never send it to a spam, and from the bottom again choose create filter. Now all your email received on this domain name will no further move to a spam folder. In future, if you want to remove it, uncheck this option.